You only need an irrevocable trust if you have more than $12 million. There are a lot of reasons to have an irrevocable trust. The one that you're thinking about in particular is the estate tax liability. In the event that you are an individual with more than $13.99 million in assets, you will start triggering the estate tax liability. If you are a married couple, and it's $28 million roughly. So that's one thing, estate tax liability. You have Medicaid. And so if you set up your trust 5 years before you apply for Medicaid and you put your assets in there, it will prevent Medicaid from the look-back period being able to come back and grab your assets for their help with the health care that you have. So you have estate tax liability, Medicaid, then you have asset protection. So when your assets are inside the irrevocable trust and you have a lawsuit or debts coming or creditors coming after you as an individual, they will not be able to access the assets inside of the irrevocable trust because they are no longer in your name. They are inside the irrevocable trust, fully separated from you as an individual. Another one is going to be how you manage and distribute the assets down to your beneficiaries. So instead of giving them a lump sum payout with a will, you could control how and when that money gets distributed down to your beneficiaries. Examples would be age-based distributions when they turn 18, 25, 30, 35, etc. Event-based when they graduate college, get married, buy their first home. Or you could just reinvest that money on their behalf and let them live off the distributions instead of being able to access the principal of those investments. So there's a lot of reasons to have an irrevocable trust. That's just a few of them. If you want help setting this up, click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.